So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to flip text vertically or how to flip text vertical here on Fotor. So once Fotor is opened up, I want you to go to the left side, press on text and add some text to your design. So I'll just go ahead and title it vertical. So what this basically means is flipping it upside down. Now, the simplest way you guys can do it is to press on the text right here, go to the top right to these three little dots, and then go to where it says rotate and flip. Then where it says flip vertical right here, simply just go ahead and flip it upside down. So for example, if you wanted to create maybe like a mirroring effect, I did that incorrectly, my apologies. So we'll go to this text right here. We'll copy it. We'll paste it just like that. So if you wanted to maybe get like a flip design, for example, just go ahead and rotate and flip vertical just like this. And it kind of creates a mirroring effect, which you could use if you wanted to in your design. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can flip text vertical here in Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.